Check out this pre-owned 2017 Nissan Titan Platinum. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, and window defogger.